Moving now to the Free State, where 4 of the 18 accused in the asbestos roof removal trial have pleaded not guilty to fraud, corruption and money laundering in the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein. The former Free State Premier Ace Magashule, who is accused number 13, says he also intends to plead not guilty when his turn comes. SABC News reporter Makgala Masiteng is watching that for us. She's at court. Good morning, Makgala. And of course, this one long awaited to get to the trial stage finally gotten underway. So talk to us about what came out of court yesterday and also what can we expect today.
Well, basically, yesterday, what happened, just in summary, we started, of course, with the judge wanting to establish the state of readiness. And, of course, all of the accused, except one, said that they were ready to proceed. Only Makgala, who is accused too, mentioned that he is not ready because he has just acquired a new lawyer who has to now get used to go through the document of this case to prepare for a trial. But then the judge felt that it will be unfair, of course, to postpone the case again. We do know that it was set for a trial last year and it was postponed, and then this time around again he said that he can't further postpone this case again. Then it started, Sakina, with the accused having now to plead on all the charges that they are faced with. Of course, even today we're still going to continue because yesterday it was only accused 1 until to accused 2, which is Ntimuzi Mokgetsi, accused 1, accused 2 Makgala, and then 3 and 4 both Edwin Sodi, him as an individual as well as representing the company. So today we are expecting the better part of the day to still be on them pleading to those charges, because they go all the way. I think with the first accused, they went all the way to more than 90 counts of charges. Of course, they're including corruption, money laundering and fraud, and they differ here and there based on their alleged individual involvement in this saga. So today we're going to be starting with Diamond Hill Trading, which was part of the 2 companies that were awarded the asbestos roof removal contract back in October 2014. Of course, it will be then represented by one of the family. I saw the surname is Mpambani. You will remember Igor Mpambani, who was the sole director of this company, was killed years ago. So today we will start with that company, followed by another company that was then subcontracted on this matter. In fact, the person who is representing that company, Michelle Bambani, we heard yesterday the NPA wanted the court to actually issue a warrant of arrest because she did not appear yesterday. But then we understand that that matter will be dealt with today, where the court, if she is still not appearing, then we might see that a warrant of arrest being issued. But of course, as I've indicated, Sakina, the better part of the day today might be the focus on them just pleading on those charges, because there are more counts of charges that they have to plead on.
Well, thank you so much, Makgala Masiteng. And of course, she will be covering that trial for us throughout the day.